Migrating from Statsig to GrowthBook doesn't need to be a headache. In fact, we've built tools to make it happen in minutes, not months. We've developed a specialized migration kit that does the heavy lifting for you. First, our importer pulls over your entire configuration, including feature gates, dynamic configs, tags, environments, metrics, all in a single click. Second, we handle your code base. Our SDK migration agent scans your application and automatically refactors your Statsig SDK into GrowthBook's syntax. We've already helped massive organizations make this shift without missing a beat. Here's how fast it actually works. In your Statsig console, you just generate a read-only API key. Paste it into the GrowthBook importer and click Fetch. It immediately identifies your gates, metrics, and configs. You hit import and your environment is set up. For the code, you simply run our migration subagent. It identifies the Statsig patterns in your repository, rewrites them to GrowthBook syntax automatically. It's the platform you want with the speed you need. Visit the link below to view the migration kit or get in touch to start your migration today.